One UI 8.5 is finally here, and it's rolling out now. After months of beta testing, Samsung has officially begun rolling out the stable One UI 8.5 update. Beta users are getting early access, but if you weren't part of the program, there's no need to worry. The update is on its way. Right now, users of the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra have started receiving the stable update. Samsung has first released it in its home country, and a global rollout is expected to begin in the first week of May. If your device was running the One UI 8.5 beta, you'll likely receive a smaller incremental update. This update simply transitions your phone from beta software to the stable version without major changes in size. On the other hand, if you weren't part of the beta program, you'll receive the full firmware package. This update is much larger in size and upgrades your device from One UI 8.0 to One UI 8.5, based on Android 16. No matter which path you're on, the overall experience is expected to improve. Before installing, make sure your phone has enough battery to avoid interruptions. It's also a good idea to back up your data to prevent any unexpected issues. Samsung has also officially ended the One UI 8.5 beta program, as Galaxy S25 users begin shifting to the stable version. If you are still on the beta, you'll receive a supplementary update. It may not be as large as the full firmware, but it completes the same process by fixing bugs, adding final features, and switching your device to stable software. Leaving the beta program manually usually requires a factory reset, but with this update, that step is no longer necessary. Samsung has made the transition smoother and more convenient for users. Also, staying on the beta version won't bring anything new. Unlike Apple or Google, Samsung doesn't keep beta channels active once the stable version is released. The beta phase is now closed, meaning no further feedback support or updates will be provided there. After updating, don't forget to update all your apps as well. The operating system is important, but your overall experience also depends on how well your apps are optimized for the new version. Even on the stable release, you can still report bugs and share feedback if needed. That's it for today. What's your thoughts? And let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.